Assalamualaikum friends. Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome back. To my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and doing well. So in today's video, friends, I will share you beautiful button crafts ideas. I will share you the viewers. Let's start today video, friends. First idea is button decor handbag. Decorate a simple bag with button. You can make patterns or random design look trendy and unique. And friends, next right here is weavers. Button bracelet jewelry. Use button with holes to make bracelet, necklaces, earrings. Simple and stylish. Button wall art. Creative shape like tree, butterfly, neon letter. Glue button on canvas for a colorful art piece. Button decor. Cloth and weavers. And friends, add button to all shirt, jacket, jeans. Give a new and creative look. And friends, next try is weavers. Friends, button candle. Hold a stick buttons around a glass jar. Put a candles inside for cozy decoration. So I hope viewers you like my videos and share my videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon.